Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to get notified if someone mentions you on YouTube on your PC. It's a simple process, so let's get started. Step 1. Click on your profile picture. On the YouTube website, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 2. Select Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Click Notifications. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll find a list of options. Click on Notifications to manage your notification settings. Step 4. Under General, turn on Mentions. Scroll down to the General section and locate the Mentions option. Toggle the switch to the on position to enable notifications for when someone mentions you. And that's it. You have successfully set up notifications for when someone mentions you on YouTube. Now, you'll never miss out on any important mentions on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.